Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanya M and we're here for another wig review. This wig is Bobbi Boss Regan. I have her in the color too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love synthetic wig reviews and tutorials. Go ahead and like this video and comment down below. Let me know if you've had this wig, and if not, just tell me hi. I also have my own beauty brand, 1111 Beauty, where I feature real 100% mink lash strips. I have some synthetic wigs. I also have press-on nails and lip gloss, all the things you need to create your look and complete your look. I'll also link down my Amazon storefront where I feature all of the items I use to slay my wigs. I also have a big cart sale. It's tanyam.bigcartsale, where I sell some of the big brand wigs I no longer use or no longer want. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I have Instagram and TikTok. All the links to everything I mentioned will be down in the description box. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back with the final review for this unit. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but you know, time constraints, but whatever. So it may not seem like right now because it's late, I'm tired, and I've been drinking. But I really love this unit. This again is by Bobbi Boss. It's the style Regan in the color 2. Anytime I want a natural, like Indian hair wig dupe, synthetic wig dupe, I always get number 2. It's a natural color and it looks really good. It looks really good on. It looks really natural color. So yeah, number 2. And yeah, so let me go ahead into the specs first. Does have baby hairs. You know what I do, I push and bake and create my own if I do baby hairs. It's glue. It says it's glueless. I don't know, I always glue my wigs down with the Ebon wig spray. It's 13x4 unit. It did say it's pre-plucked. It did, you know how synthetic wigs are, guys. They be pre-plucked, but not enough for me. So I go in, as you can see, I went in to make it look way more natural, and it's giving. So I'm gonna tell y'all, it might make the video longer. So sorry, guys, but I made a boo-boo and I didn't pull the wig down low enough, so that's why you see my 5 head. My natural hairline starts like right here, so about the same spot where the wig starts. I don't like, my forehead is kind of big for me, but whatever. But at the same time, my hairline peaks up here and then comes down low on the side where the baby hairs are. So I had to pull the baby hairs down to mask, you know, the bunch of lace I had to leave on to take care of covering the ball cap. Okay, so next time I apply this wig, because I will be reapplying her, I'm gonna pull the wig down a little bit lower so that I don't have to do no baby hairs, you know. She's medium head friendly. I'm sorry guys, with Bobbi Boss, if you don't have a small or medium head, this wig ain't gonna work for you. These wigs don't generally work for for large heads. Sensational and Outre are good for making wigs that are for big head girls. That's not no shade, no shade, but I'm just saying for the big head girls. Yeah, so she is long and thick. She's about 26 inches long. Nice natural kind of a blowout layered look. She did tangle. I went out with her yesterday. She tangled, but don't try to untangle her. Don't try to do that. Don't play yourself. Just, you know, you can kind of like try to separate it like this, but leave her alone and then brush her out when you got time. You know what I'm saying? Because anyway, if you keep doing that, it's going to cause it to like nap up, and you don't want that. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Basically, she was easy to pluck. The knots are small. HD lace, definitely. Yeah, again, support your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you have her and if you like her. I might do a style, like an updo style for her for New Year's. So stay tuned for that. I might do like a side swoop updo. If I do that, I'll do a TikTok and then y'all see it. I'll post it here. I always post my TikToks here. Oh yeah, guys, my lashes, they're tiny as shit. These are from 1111 Beauty, my personal beauty brand. They're mink lashes, 100% real mink lashes. These are great for girls who got tiny eyes or girls who don't like big lashes. Get you some of these in style and misty. Okay. By the time I put this video out, the sale will be all over, but I'll have more sales. So just go over to my website. The link will be in the description box. The lip gloss also. This cute ring I got from I saw it on Instagram, not Instagram, TikTok. It's so cute. This lip ring is faux, but I was thinking about getting my lip pierced like this anyway, but I was like, let me try it out, and I really like it, so I might be getting this pierced next year, 2023. Do the damn thing. But yeah, TikTok. Go over to my TikTok. This lip gloss is from my beauty brand too. It's a beautiful taupe color. It's great for women of color. Pair with a brown lip liner, and there you go. Pair it with a brown lip liner, guys. It's a good lip gloss. It's lip gloss. So pretty. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Love you.